Welcome to Paris Collins Prime Estates, and I got a beauty for you guys. So this is a home currently. There are multiple offers on it, but you can make a bigger offer. I'm sure the listing realtor won't be mad. So I'll be doing a quick tour. Telling you now, there's no lights on this one yet, or right now. So we'll start over here in the dining area. I believe that's the basement. And it looks finished, and there are no lights. Okay. All right. I'm scared of the dark, but we're gonna get it done. This is your laundry room area. Lots of cabinet space. Closet. We have a bedroom here. Nice closet. Beautiful ceiling fan. Fantastic bathroom. Great tile work. This isn't that cheap plastic on the wall. That is real tile. You guys see that? This door just leads back into that bathroom. Screen door on the garage. A very big garage. We'll swing through the kitchen. These cabinets are great. They're in great shape. This is a great living room family area. The balcony up there. Wait, is this the master? Yes, it is. All right, I'll edit that one and we'll come back to the master last. So in there is your master. We'll take care of that one last. Beautiful ornate doors. And we'll just turn left. You have a little pond or fountain in the front that I would fill with koi fish. Closet space. I apologize, there is no lights in here. finally figure out this gimbal, and I walk into the first house with no lights. All right. Okay, this is for you, YouTube. I'm going down here in the dark. So this is the basement, and I believe it is finished. Oh yeah, it's definitely finished. Okay. That was a movie theater that you couldn't see. Closet space. Exit out the movie. So this is a sauna. Oh, this video is just gonna have to be a double. She didn't tell me there were no lights. You have a kitchenette down here. Not a kitchenette, a whole kitchen. We're going to go out the back. So here you go. Have a huge backyard. Back downstairs, and we're checking out the master bedroom. All right, guys. Not really disappointed. Things happen. Things get thrown at you. If you remember, a couple of weeks ago, we were supposed to do a tour, and another realtor showed up with a family full of kids. It happens. We are here. This is a great home. I think it's a great home for the right buyer, and I think that right buyer could be you. If you want to see more properties like this, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, hit me up with a message. I'm going to go to the dollar store and see if I can find a flashlight. Let's see if I can find another light, get into that basement and show you guys. I think I got one in my car. Be right back. All right, guys, I have went to my car and I found a flashlight. Oh hell, this thing was pointing to the ceiling. All right, so you see the screen, right? We're working in the dark, so. This is an extra room. From the smell of it and the rubber floor, this was definitely a gem. This is an extra bathroom with big spiders. This is an extra bedroom, I believe. Yes, it is. There's a closet. So, guys, don't get frustrated ever in life. Get innovative. I could have just stayed mad that I did not have light down here, but staying positive, I went and found a flashlight. The door leads to the patio. This is an extra closet space. Oh no, this is a furnace. 2 furnaces on the house. You have a sauna with a cracked door. You gotta replace that, I'm sure. Your bathroom. Oh, it's big. I thought they had 2 more. Wait, that's 3 furnaces. All right. This is another closet. And this is the front end of that movie theater. Of course, that's your screen. Built-in speakers in the wall.